So, the Pecron F5000LFP is a serious backup power station, offering a huge 120 Leaf APO4 battery and up to 7,200 watts of 240V output. It can also accept up to 6,400 watts of solar input and expand to nearly 36 kilowatt-hours with additional batteries. The biggest advantage is the combination of capacity and power. It can handle much more demanding appliances than typical portable power stations, making it interesting for home backup, RVs, or off-grid use. But here's what the marketing doesn't emphasize. This thing is heavy. It weighs about 124 pounds, so despite having wheels, it's definitely not something you casually carry around. Independent testing has also found that the cooling fans can get quite loud under heavy loads, so placement matters if you're using it inside your home. So, should you buy the Pecron F5000LFP? If you need serious backup power and want 240V capability without combining multiple power stations, it's a very compelling option. But if you just need to charge phones, laptops, and smaller appliances, this is probably far more power station than you need. Overall, the F5000LFP looks like a strong choice for serious home backup, but its size, weight, and noise are important trade-offs to consider before buying. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.